Undergraduate students can now take up NCC as an elective subject in the undergraduate course for all colleges of NEHU. This was announced by the Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Satyapal Malik, in a program held today at Raj Bhavan, Shillong. According to the Governor, the proposal to introduce NCC as an elective subject for undergraduate students is a positive move, as it would benefit the students being a scoring subject. He lauded the efforts of the NCC and NEHU on the introduction of a new subject which will benefit students immensely. Others who spoke on the occasion were Major General Ananta Bhuyan Sena Medal, Additional DG NCC Northeast Directorate and Vice Chancellor of NEHU, Professor Sri Krishna Srivastava.
Director General NCC Northeast Region, Mrs. Bhuyan, President Jaisingh Yadav, Group Commander NCC Shillong, Professor S. K. Srivastava, Vice Chancellor NEHU, and Shri Sunirban Bhattacharya, Director of Higher and Technical Education. As an ex-NCC cadet myself, I am very happy with the implementation of the proposal to make NCC an elective subject in NEHU. I am fully aware of the efforts that the NCC cadets put in for various activities. Now with this positive step, not only will the academic pressure on them ease, but they will also get more time to pursue their interests. This decision will make NCC a lot more attractive to the students, as it would be a scoring subject and also provide them a lot of opportunities to develop their leadership skills, character and physical fitness. I am sure that the University and NCC Directorate are making efforts to educate the student population on this, as time spent in NCC as a cadet is a life-changing experience that equips you with all the skills required to succeed in life and be responsible citizen of this country. I myself attribute my success in public service to the training I received and the values I imbibed in NCC. I hereby announce the promulgation of NCC as an elective subject in NEHU. I congratulate the ADG, NCC and Vice Chancellor on this important day. I am sure that the students of various colleges of NEHU and people of Meghalaya as a whole will benefit from it. ये जो गवर्नर होता है इसको एक स्पीच पकड़ा दी जाती है, तो ये जो मुझे पकड़ाई गई थी वो मैंने बोल दी.